Hello there, welcome back to Fairy Tale Farm. My name is, you probably guessed it, Cow. Oh, I'm the oldest animal here on the farm, and today I'm gonna play a game with you called Guess the Sound. Now, I'm not so good at this, because as I'm getting old, my ears aren't so good anymore, but I'm sure you're real good at it. Alright, I got some sounds for you. Let's see if you can guess them before the timer goes off. Ready? Here's the first one. What'd you think it was? That's a little confusing to me. I'm used to bells and everything, but that sounded a little different. But here it is. It's a xylophone. Ooh, have you ever played a xylophone? Not me. I can't really grab no sticks with my hooves. All right, here's the next one. Could you get it? I know this one pretty well. It's the wind blowing. The blowing wind. It's blowing all in the field. I hear it all the time. Okay, here's the next one. Did you get it? Oh, that one's pretty easy. We got some old dogs here on the farm, and they're always panting because they're getting old and they can't run very much no more. They get real winded. All right, here's the next one. Ooh, I like that sound. Did you get it? It's a crackling fire. Ooh, that sounds warm and nice, but don't step in it. I won't tell you about the time I stepped in a fire and it burned my. Well, never mind. Let's talk about let's listen to the next one. Whoa, did you get it? I'd like to ride me one of them. It's a motorcycle. Oh, yeah, that'd be fun. Okay, let's listen to another one. Whoa, did you get it? I ain't never been able to do this because my hooves are way too big, but that was the sound of somebody typing away on a computer keyboard, and I bet you know exactly what that sounds like and feels like. Okay, here's the next one. Oh, did you get it? Oh, I know that sound. I hear him in the barn at nighttime. That was an owl going hoot hoot. All right, we got one more for you. Hey, did you get that one? I never used one of these myself, but I bet you have, and I think Farmer John does. It's a toilet flushing. Well, how many did you get? I bet you're so smart you got every one of them. Well, that was fun. I hope you had fun. I hope you'll come back and see me again next time. Remember, if you like our videos, make sure to like and subscribe and share it with your friends.